To settle or not to settle? That is the question when it comes to legal cases. And today we're learning about what goes into making that type of decision and what's the most common. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins firm recently stopped by with more. Jim, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
All right, we hear about cases all the time, and oftentimes they settle and then sometimes they go to trial. So let's talk about what you see more of. What's most common?
By far the most common is a case will settle. I think statistically in Tennessee, it's about 85% of the cases settle before trial. Now, that doesn't mean that they settle quickly or they settle, it takes forever. It's all different. You know, we have cases settle not far after we get them. We have some cases that settle close to trial. I've had cases settle halfway through trial. So it's all at different times. So more than not, a case will settle.
Right, and there are a lot of benefits to settling, which is why you see so much of that. Now let's talk about some of the factors that you consider when deciding, okay, are we going to settle or should we go to trial?
Sure. You know, we always meet with our families. Of course, most of the cases we handle are kind of high-end injury cases, wrongful death cases, and so they're very stressful cases. But when we start getting to a point in a case where we think it may resolve or settle, then we're going to meet with the family. We're going to talk about the offers that we've got, whether we think it's reasonable based on cases we've tried, what's involved, what our risks are at trial, what's the benefits of it, you know, the stress of trial, whether they want to go through it. You know, some people want to go through it and just to be able to tell it to a jury, and some people want to put it behind them. So those are all things that you have to kind of weigh when you're looking at whether an offer is reasonable and whether you should settle.
Exactly. Now, you do handle a lot of personal injury cases. So talk about how do you make sure you get the maximum recovery for those clients?
Yeah. Well, I think we've always thought as an office that one of the key is when you take a case, you do not take it to settle. I mean, although statistically it may, we get our cases ready for trial. That means we got our experts done, we're going to take our medical depositions, we're going to get the exhibits we need. So that other side knows that if they're not reasonable, then we're not going to settle. And we have tried a lot of cases and had great results. So I think that helps all of our other claims is people know that we're serious about the cases, and that if they aren't reasonable, if we don't have a sum that's fairly compensate this family, then it's going to be go to trial, and we're going to be ready for it.
Right. And of course, personal injury is a big part of your firm, but talk a little bit about the Higgins firm in general, what you do for folks.
Sure. So any of these trials, we're broken down different divisions. We have a personal injury, nursing home neglect division. We also have an employment law section, which has several lawyers. And again, these same cases, as far as settle or not, they go through those same factors. Those are probably our two biggest litigation sections.
We're helping out a lot of people, and they can of course just call you and you can talk them through whether you could help them or not, right?
Yeah, we try to be with people through all of it, through every step.
All right, helping them out. Thanks so much, Jim.
Thank you.
The Higgins firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-924-8500, or for more info, just go to higginsfirm.com.